We normally come fossil hunting for ammonites. Most of the time we go all over, literally hunting for ammonites. We have a whole 2 display cabinets now and more at home of ammonites and other random finds. But today we've come out especially for shark's teeth because I've always wanted to find some shark's teeth, and yeah, so we're hoping to find some today. Let's see what we get.
Bricks there, pop.
You literally have to get down on your hands and knees. I'm currently now lying on the floor looking for his bloody teeth. But we found 4 so far, so I'm very happy. We've been here about an hour, so doing well. More than what I thought we'd get. I was happy just to find one. I did find the first one, obviously, and it was the full one, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, gonna keep looking. So we've now found 7 in total, so we're very happy with that. Gonna try and aim for 10. But obviously we only came with the intention of maybe even finding 1, so yeah. Chuffed with what we found so far. So we didn't find 10, we found 11! And a little fish jawbone.